Hi, my name's Scott Wayman. I'm the founder and CEO at Kangarootime. And we are introducing and ushering in with our customers Childcare 2.0. Let me define Childcare 2.0 for you. So first and foremost, it's automating the entire business, right? So everything from the revenue cycle to collecting thousands of documents and managing all the human capital and all the regulation. It's automating the classroom and making teachers better at point of care, and then hardwiring families into the early education experience. We could have never imagined the power and the generational impact that parent engagement, digital parent engagement, has given us for the thousands of families that we add to our platform each month. And there are a few reasons why we're seeing us solve so many systemic and generational problems. First of all, we've built a world-class acquisition engine that's drawing tons of data every day. And we prompt users with alerts at point of care. So this is in the revenue cycle, this is in the classroom, this is in regard to families or collecting regulations. And then the feedback loops, they're connected, right? So for the first time ever, they actually exist. And we can have immediate feedback from parent to teacher or parent to director. And we're finding that these feedback loops are powerful because they give us data, right? And the data is interesting, and we're carving out time at point of care. But where the models really get exciting is when Kangarootime carving out 100% of time formerly spent in billing. Our centers will spend 20 to 40 hours a week in billing before us. The day they spin up the Kangarootime flywheel of automation on the revenue cycle management side, they go down to 0 hours. And that's super powerful when you add in all the administrative glut that they're involved in collecting documents, adhering to regulatory. Because the people doing that in the center are typically the directors or the owners, or they're the stakeholders in the centers that have the most experience, right? We can infuse them back into the learning delivery strategy, which again is super powerful. So you have the best employee all of a sudden not chained to the administrative suite. And then when you transition that to our enterprise customers in the larger delivery models, that's where the accelerated returns start to begin. We have a customer in pilot right now that serves more than 25,000 families. With our platform on just the learning delivery side and the administrative work that we're pulling their directors out of, they're able to funnel down a top-down AI approach and educate 25,000 families, children, with 3 people. Now, some of them are just superstars, PhDs, but again, this shows you where the scale and the accelerated returns come in. And then imagine the amount of data that we're getting with tens of thousands of families that we add each month. And our app ecosystem is the most elegant out there. So parents are accustomed to using Snap and Instagram. We give them that stream of consciousness experience. And we're giving them data like heat maps inside their classroom and really giving them real business intelligence. And we're using things like natural language processing to make teachers laser fast at point of care and also pull as much structured data out of the classroom as possible. So we do all this for them. They can have laser focus on relationships and NPS. And what's next? This year, we've focused on next level collaborations. So our customers are using systems outside of our platform. We give them the ability to have a single sign-on approach and use our partner applications seamlessly, and not just use them, not just the use case, but sensible workflows inside their centers. So for the first time ever, our centers have the integration paradigms that big healthcare, big banking have. And we believe that these tight integrations not only add value for our centers, but they also create synergies. So like the security authentication relationship we have with Kesey Locks. When you look at what we're doing with data that we're pulling in from our partner systems, and you look at things like sales enablement and population discovery and what we're doing with childcare CRM to help our owners and directors understand what their enrollment focus should be, or what e-learning should look like for teachers and staff with our human capital management platform, and the overall picture of the health of the financial business with our integration and data outputs from the QuickBooks Online Intuit App Store connection. We believe that our next chapter is about machine learning, artificial intelligence, and deep learning altogether, and helping our customers create these loops of accelerated return. Thank you very much.